Hey, IELTS warriors! Feeling frustrated with your practice scores? Stuck in a rut and not seeing the improvement you deserve? Well, fret no more, because today I'm about to reveal the secret weapon no one talks about. That will crush your IELTS test and have you smashing your target band score. So let's cut to the chase. This secret weapon isn't some fancy vocabulary list or a magic formula, although those can be helpful. It's something so fundamental, so ingrained in the test itself, that most people completely overlook it. But before I spill the beans, let's see how many of you already suspect what it might be. Hit the poll in the comments below. Do you think the secret weapon is 1. A. Advanced grammar structures, 2. B. Super fast speaking speed, 3. C. Understanding the test format itself? Alright, while those things can be beneficial, the real secret weapon is C. Understanding the test format. Why? Because the IELTS test is like a game with specific rules. If you know the rules, you can play it strategically and maximize your score. Think about it. Imagine walking into an exam room blindfolded. You wouldn't know where the questions are, what kind of prompts they'll give you, or even how much time you have. That's basically what happens when you show up to the IELTS unprepared for the format. Here's the good news. Understanding the format is actually quite achievable. It's about knowing the different sections, question types, and time constraints. It's about learning how to pace yourself and focus your energy on the areas that will get you the most points. Now, I know what you're thinking. Okay, understanding the format is important, but how do I actually do it? Well, guess what? Stay tuned to the end of this video for a very special offer that will not only help you understand the format of the IELTS test, but also help you master each and every section of it. It's pure gold! Don't miss it! Now for a bonus tip for all you eagle-eyed viewers who voted correctly in the poll, here's a sneaky tactic to exploit the format. Once you understand the IELTS speaking test question types, you can actually predict what kind of answer the examiner is looking for. This gives you a huge advantage in structuring your responses and scoring top marks. So there you have it! The secret weapon of understanding the IELTS format is yours to conquer. If you got value from this video, please remember to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below telling me what other IELTS secrets you'd like to see unlocked. Here's the special offer. If you're hungry for more tips and techniques to boost your IELTS score, click on this link, https IELTS.Preptical.com.ref1 in the description below for Preptical's official online mock tests and courses. With Preptical, you can stop wasting time studying aimlessly. You'll get unlimited access to over 500 hours of IELTS courses designed to maximize your score. You'll also get the opportunity to take online mock tests that closely replicate the actual IELTS exam. Don't miss this chance to supercharge your language skills and reach your IELTS goals. Don't stop now. This was just one part of mastering IELTS. Dive deeper into IELTS success. Click on one of the videos here. Do it now.